Full Freshdesk ticketing system tutorial. This is a simple and easy guide for full Freshdesk ticketing system. So if you're planning to have your own business and if you're looking for a customer support software, then this tutorial is for you. So just go directly to Freshdesk ticketing system and you should see this one. This is their website. And if you want to see more of their information, feel free to explore within this website. To get started, all you have to do is to click this try it for free and you will see this one. So what you're going to do is to fill out the information here, such as your first name, your last name, your work mail. So this is your business email and then your company name, your phone. And then after that, tap this try it for free. Okay, so once you tap this button, then it will take you directly to the next page. And as you can see, you can simply try their fresh desk for free, but it's just a 14-day free trial. So we can use this for now temporarily, but it will expire soon. So this is what it looks like. Welcome to Freshdesk. So first it will ask you what industry are you from. So you can choose from any of the option here. If you can't find one, then tap others. How many employers or employees are there in your company? You can choose from this number right here. And then you can also tap from any of these options. So let's just say I'm just new to this. And then it will take you directly to the Freshdesk dashboard. So this is the home, okay, the home page. And if you copy this part right here, for example, if you copy this and then share this link to someone, then they can view your Freshdesk website. Okay, here they are free to inquire or to submit a report, something like that. So basically, if you want to share this to someone, then you can just copy that link. So let's start with this. Okay, so as you can see on the left side, you can see different options here. Here you can see the steps and how to get your support desk ready. So you just have to follow the steps right here. Now, first, if you tap this dashboard icon right here, the dashboard in Freshdesk is a central hub that provides a visual summary of key metrics, insights, and data related to your customer support activities. As you can see, here are the numbers of unresolved, overdue, and so on. So if you want to see the status or any update, just go to dashboard. Next, we have here is ticket or ticket icon. A ticket represents a customer inquiry issue or request that has been submitted to your support team via different channels like email, chat, social media, or phone. So basically, you can see all tickets right here, and you can also filter this one. The next we have here below ticket is the context. So the context section here in Freshdesk is where you manage and store information about your customers and clients. So each contact in Freshdesk represents a customer or user who has interacted with your support team. So basically, you can just simply add them here if you tap this context section. So next we have here is solution. Well, the solution section in Freshdesk is essentially a knowledge base where businesses can create and manage helpful articles, guides, and FAQs for their customers. So it serves as a self-service portal, allowing customers to find answers to common issues or questions without having to contact support directly. If you want to add an article or FAQ, you just have to click this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me tap this new article and I'm going to enter or I'm going to add a sample question, a deeper question from a customer. Suppose that most of the questions or most of the comments that I got from my website, let's just say is this question right here. So let me type or paste it. What wellness or mental health amenities do you offer for guests seeking relaxation and rejuvenation? So basically, I'll just enter my answer right here so that the customer or other people who want to know what is the answer for this can see. I can also change or edit format. Now, if you go to the section right here, you can add image, you can add link, you can add video or anything here that can add support to your answer. So basically, this is how you create or add article or add FAQ for your business. So if people or a customer visit your Freshdesk portal, then probably they can see this or any related article, and they don't need to ask directly or submit a request to your office or to your company, to your business, because they know already what is the answer. Now, feel free to edit your article. You can change the color here, like what I've mentioned earlier. You can edit the format. You just have to simply go to this part right here. If you want to set this italic, underline, and add some link, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can just paste the link right here or any video, something like that, that can support to your answer. Let's just say if you have a YouTube channel or a website where there you explain everything about the information policy or anything about your company, about your hotel business. And if they click this one, it will take them directly to that channel or to that website, then it would be easier. So feel free to add a link, video, or image right here. And as you can see in this hierarchy section, so in the solution section refers to the structure of organization of your knowledge base articles. In this hierarchy field, it allows you to categorize and arrange your solution articles in a logical order, making it easier for both agents and customers to navigate through different topics and find relevant information. Okay, so the forum section in Freshdesk, as you can see, is a space where customers and agents can engage in discussions. Like you can see it right here, right? So you can ask questions, you can also share ideas and collaborate. So as you can see here, I have added a question and anyone is free to answer this. Now let's move on to analytics. Okay, so analytics in Freshdesk is a feature provides detailed reports and insights into the performance of your customer support operations. It helps business track key metrics, understand trends, and identify areas for improvement in their customer service. So you can just simply see it right here. And then last is this gear icon here in Freshdesk. So we all know that this gear icon is the settings right here in Freshdesk. And this is where you can configure or customize various aspects of your help desk. But here in Freshdesk settings, you can also see the ticket settings, agent management, automation rules, customer data, integrations, email settings, security settings, reports, analytics, and knowledge base settings. So you can see here inside this gear icon are settings. So probably as you can see, there is this also account details, plan and billing. If you want to upgrade your plan, you can tap that one. If you want to avail advanced features, then you can click this plans and billing and then look for that specific plan that you want. If you want to upgrade, if you want to use this feature that you can use in free version, feel free to upgrade. All you have to do is to tap this in order for you to upgrade and purchase or pay this exact amount right here. Okay, then you can unlock these features. So basically that's it. And to make it short, it's just so easy to create or set up Freshdesk. All you have to do is to go to any website and then type Freshdesk, create an account, and then here you can set up your support desk. So Freshdesk offers a range of advantages that make it a powerful tool for managing customer support and enhancing team productivity. So it's centralized ticket management, multi-channel support, collaboration tools, reporting analytics, integrations, customer satisfaction and feedback tools, cost-effective solutions, self-service features, security and compliance, and a mobile access. So basically, that's how easy it is to know this full Freshdesk ticketing system. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.